Chris Soren here, MarineMax Baltimore. We're on our newly traded 2019 190 SPX from Searay. Start here on the transom. You have a 150 Mercury pushing this boat. As you notice, there is sea deck all the way leading into the cockpit area. You also have a nice fold down ladder here. Back here you have a nice sun pad that also has a ton of storage underneath, which is great for this boat. As you move forward, you'll notice you have the dune interior. You do have a built-in cooler here underneath the seat, which does drain. You're also going to notice the carpet, the infinity woven carpet throughout. Twin bucket seats with thigh-rise bolsters. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. You're also going to have a Simrad multifunction unit. Will take care of your GPS and your sonar. Notice here you have your TAC reading 52 hours on this boat. Nice storage spots here at the companion seat. Not only is it lockable glove box here, but also some nice storage underneath. As you move forward, notice you do have a windshield that does come across to block the wind. And you have plenty of seating up here in the bow. Thank you for taking the tour of the newly traded 2019 190 SPX. Please give us a call, stop by, or visit our website.